Disconnected teams kill innovation. In just 3 minutes, you can shift your mindset to map an ecosystem that aligns your people, processes, and purpose for impact. Hi, I'm Cindy, and we help founders, business owners, and change leaders to keep their feet moving. As purpose-driven ventures grow, workflows fragment, and the mission clarity fades. But ecosystem mapping, it rewires the human, operational, and environmental threads into an adaptable habitat. So, what is an ecosystem mapping? And why should you care? An ecosystem map is a broader tool that represents an interconnected network of entities, relationships, and resources. These resources are involved in shaping market forces and influencing perceptions. Imagine having a visual representation of the players, processes, and relationships. So, an ecosystem map allows us to explore the complex web of life that exists within environments. And why should you care? So, by mapping out an ecosystem, we can gain valuable insights into how different components within the system influence one another. So, ecosystem mapping has helped businesses reduce their go-to-market time by at least 15%. Ecosystem mapping has led to a 35% increase in successful product launches. 80% of companies that use ecosystem mapping report a better understanding of their market. Over 70% of startups use ecosystem mapping to identify key players, relationships in their market. So ecosystem mapping, it can highlight bottlenecks, giving your team a chance to address issues early on before you lose that customer or the contracts. So it is important. So whether you are a founder, a business owner, or a change leader, this knowledge can prove vital in gaining clarity and making informed decisions. But a mindset shift is required, like the way an athlete gets their mind ready for the big game, or the way parents instantly shift their mindset when into protection when they notice that their child is about to walk into some type of danger. How fast does it take you to shift from your normal feelings into excitement when you're getting ready to go on a vacation, or when you get an unexpected money? So yes, in just 3 minutes, you can make 3 strategic mindset shifts to align your people, your processes, and purpose for impact. So shift number 1, from linear workflows to a living ecosystem. The old pattern, you task A, then you would do task B, then task C, with a silent handoff to other departments or teams. So a mindset shift, you would see that every role and resource is interdependent. For example, draw 3 concentric circles. The outer circle would be your customer. The middle circle would be the core team. And the other circle is your external partners. So these circles would help you to visualize your resources and how they flow. And that would help to make decisions. Shift number 2. From output metrics to impact indicators. The old pattern where we count only the deliverables and we don't consider nothing else. A new mindset shift is we measure how lives improve. An example, you would track team, customer, or community engagement alongside project completion. So, you are measuring holistic growth. Shift 3, from static org charts to dynamic feedback loops. Now, the old way is rigid hierarchy, which contributes to delayed issues and delayed issue spotting. The mindset shift, you would shift to continuous tuning, and that would keep us agile. For example, you would embed monthly ecosystem reviews where any team member can make or suggest tweaks. So building an ecosystem map alongside with strategy enables you to visualize the market while factoring in competition, potential collaborators, and customers. I'm not oblivious to the fact that locally and globally, we are all struggling and suffering. And we cannot control what others do, but you can choose how to respond. If you found value in this video, gained insight, or inspired not to give up, consider subscribing at the Entrepreneur Things or email sign up for more bite-sized, actionable strategies to navigate the challenges on the road to entrepreneurship. This is how you keep your feet moving. Bye.